Well, this is great. The washing machine just died on me. I like this one, but it's really expensive for me. This is nowhere near enough. This should finally do it.
Hello, cutie. What can I do for you?
I'd like to purchase the white one. Please arrange for delivery.
I'll take you home, but then I have to head to work, okay?
Okay, Daddy. I just got home. I remembered our deal. I'll be right there. Daddy took me out for sushi. So sorry to keep you waiting.
Sushi? I've never had it, but I bet it's delicious.
She's never ever had sushi.
Just for you, being so adorable, I can cut you a deal.
I got you a strawberry.
Thank you. I got you something too. Let's go.